Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
Hello everyone and welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. My name is Shawnee and I'll be your conductor on this line. And up ahead we have the talented Cecilia who will be driving us to our next destination. Now as we enter the glamorous world of Hollywood, heading into the glamorous world of Hollywood, Hollywood is home to a majority of our indoor attractions. Like on our left-hand side, you will find the animation building. Now this is a nod to Roy E. Disney's animation building in Burbank, California. And if you look on the front, you can see 70 Disney characters from past and present on it. Now inside, you will find 4 separate attractions. You will find Sorcerer's Workshop, you can learn how to animate. Turtle Talk with Crush, where you can talk to Crush the Sea Turtle from Finding Nemo. A meet and greet with Queen Anna and or Elsa. And then the Animation Academy, where you can draw your favorite Disney character. On our right-hand side, just past Schmoozies in the Hollywood Studios backlot, you will find Monsters Inc. Mike and Sully to the rescue. Now that is a slow-moving taxi cab through the movie of Monsters Inc. as you can help Mike and Sully bring Boo back home. Now coming up on our right-hand side, if you just want to sit down, relax, and enjoy a show, you'll find Mickey's Philharmagic. Now this is a 3D show featuring Donald Duck as he travels through various Disney movies. Now that'll run about every 15 minutes. On our left-hand side, for the little ones in the party, this is Disney Junior Dance Party. Now this is where little ones can dance with some of their favorite Disney Junior characters like Doc McStuffin, Vampirina, and Mickey and the Roadster Racers. The next show will be at 4 o'clock. Now if you're looking for a sweet treat, on our right-hand side is our silver popcorn stand. Now which makes this popcorn stand so unique, it is the only one in our park that serves freshly made caramel popcorn. Anywhere else will be pre-packaged in the stores. Now as we make our way into Carthay Circle, on the left you'll find our Carthay Circle Restaurant and Lounge. Now this is modeled after the Carthay Circle Theater in Los Angeles, where Walt premiered many of his movies. His first one being Disney's Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. And it looks like we have our first celebrity sighting here on the trolley on our left-hand side with Goofy himself. Now coming up on our left-hand side, you will find Fiddler, Fifer, and Practical Cafe, also known as our local Starbucks here in this park. Now those names might not sound familiar to you, but those characters sure will, because those are the names of the 3 little pigs, Fiddler, Fifer, and Practical. Also on our left-hand side is a favorite here on the Red Car Trolley, and that's our delicious Trolley's Treats. Now this is where you can get some handmade treats made for you by our very own candy makers. And if you look in the window on the left-hand side coming up, you can sometimes see those candy makers hard at work making those treats for you. Now, as we head into Buena Vista, this is modeled after a lot of the mom and pop shops from back in the day. We have Big Top Toys, Julia's Cats, and Elias & Co. Now these shops will remain open 1 hour after park closing if you want to get some shopping in. As we come up to our stop, we are just going to ask that you all remain seated till the trolley comes to a full and complete stop and those doors open. This will be our last stop. We will be staying here to charge for about 5 minutes before heading on back towards Sunset Boulevard.